Advantage and disadvantage of video calling. Communication with anyone. I can communication with anyone on the planet is a 5 second. To any device. I can make a video call from any device. 3. Organize a job. We can organize a work with people and give their guidelines from the video call. Disadvantage. 1. Too much internet. When we make a video call, it consumes a lot of internet and there might be communication problems. Internet 2. Internet plan. I must have a good internet plan to have excellent service. 3. Meeting cyclicals. There are people who prefer the meeting cyclical and not by a video call. Thank you, teacher.